Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and welcome to my tiny kitchen. I used to dread spending time in my kitchen until I painted it a bright color and started accenting it with bright pieces. These really cheer me up. I love color. My house is filled with color, and so when I found this Sweejar kitchen canister in this awesome citrusy green, I knew that I needed to have it for a coffee canister. I needed something small because my kitchen is small so that I could easily put it up in the cabinet when I needed more space on the counters. It would look cute if I did leave it sitting out. Found this, love it, couldn't be happier. First of all, great color. Second of all, I love the bamboo lid. I'm really into mid-century modern, and so this combination just really stood out to me. It does have a rubber seal on the inside, and so I know it keeps it nice and sealed, doesn't let air in. So if you're looking for some great bright pieces, cute storage for your kitchen, you really should check out these Sweejar kitchen canisters. That's my point of view.